In this video, I'll show you how to trim and extend lines in AutoCAD. To begin with, I'll show you how to use the trim tool, and you can access the trim tool via the trim button at the top of your screen or by typing in T and R and then spacebar or enter to confirm. Once you have the trim tool out, you can delete full lines if there's no intersection between two lines. In the event that you actually have two lines that are intersecting one another, you can choose which part of the line is to be trimmed, and these will stop at each of the intersections, as you can see. You can also use the trim tool on hatches. So if I decide to hatch this rectangle and further down the line make an amendment to it that changes the size of it, and now the hatch is no longer within the boundary, we can use the trim tool after having the rectangle selected and trim the hatch so that it now fits inside of the rectangle. Next, we have the extend tool. And this is found in the same place as the trim tool, but underneath the drop down menu. Alternatively, of course, we can type in EX and then a space or enter to confirm, and this quickly accesses it. The extend tool simply won't work on a single line, as you can see. We will need both a line to extend and then a piece of geometry to extend to. This is so that it doesn't theoretically carry on forever. I've got two tips regarding this extend tool that will prove handy down the line. I know they've helped me a lot. Firstly, when extending a line, you need to make sure that the stopping line is actually on the screen, because for some reason, when the line is not on the screen, the line just won't extend to it, even though everything should work fine. So make sure you can see where the line is going to end, and then it starts to work. Secondly, you can highlight a piece of geometry that indicates where the stop line will be before pulling out the tool, to avoid having to extend the same line multiple times in situations like this, where a number of lines are obstructing the path between the line and its end point. And I'll just show you what that looks like if I didn't select the end. I'm just gonna have to do it a number of times. This method also solves the problem that we were having beforehand and allows you to extend the line even when your stop point isn't in screen because it's been highlighted. The same can also be done for the trim tool. So typically with the trim tool, if I use it here, it just cuts it and segments it into two different pieces of geometry. But if I decide that I'm going to highlight this line and then do the same again, it's going to cut off the rest of the line starting from our highlighted point. If you found this helpful, then subscribe, it makes me happy, and you can always unsub in the future, although that will make me unhappy. If you want access to all of these architectural blocks and hatches, then check the form in the description. Once filled out, the file will automatically be emailed to you. Thank you very much for watching.